Hey guys, welcome back to another GTA 5 video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install car mods within GTA 5. So let's get into the video. Firstly, we need to install some pre-requirements. In the description of this video, if you go down there, you're going to see a list to everything that we need to install. The first one is OpenIV. The second one is CommunityScriptV.net. Then we need ScriptV. Car that you're going to be installing, the one that I'm going to be installing is the 2015 Ferrari LaFerrari. And then finally, to spawn in the car, we're going to be using the add-ons vehicle spawner. Once you have all 5 of the files downloaded, they should look something like this. You're going to need WinRAR or 7-zip to extract the contents of the zip files. So we're going to install the OpenIV first. It's a very simple process. All you need to do is just follow along with the prompt and you will be good. Once you close it, there's going to be a new OpenIV shortcut. You're going to double click on it. You're going to select GTA 5 Windows. Next, you're going to locate the main game directory for GTA. I'm using the one on Steam, so I'm going to right click on GTA, go to manage and browse local files. Then you're going to go into the bar up here and you're going to select everything here. Make sure that you copy it and then go back to OpenIV and then you're going to go to browse. Go into the bar, delete everything, Control V and then enter. Select folder. So once that is done, OpenIV is going to automatically open up. The first thing that you want to do is head over to the left side. You're going to see this little ASI manager, this little check mark. Click on it and you're going to install each of these things right here. You're going to install ASI loader, OpenIV and Open Camera. Next, what you want to do is enable edit mode. If you don't enable it, you won't be able to copy anything within OpenIV. So go ahead and enable it. Now we're going to be locating the main game directory for GTA. Again, I'm using the one on Steam. So I'm going to right click, go to manage and browse local files. Once here, you're going to create a new folder called mods, common letters MODS. Then you're going to copy your updates. So right click, copy and go into your mods folder and you're going to paste it right here. Once you do that, your mods folder should show up in OpenIV. Now we can move on to the next steps. So now what we want to do is copy the files that we downloaded into the main game directory for GTA. But first, we're going to extract the contents of the zip file. You can go ahead and delete the zip files because we don't really need them. The first one that I'm going to be installing is ScriptV. So I'm going to go into the folder, then go into bin, and I'm going to copy ScriptV and the dinput. Leave the native trainer. We don't want that. So we're going to copy them into the main game directory. If you have them, go ahead and replace them because these are the updated files. Next, we're going to go to scriptv.net. You're going to copy everything except for the text files into the main game directory. Next, we're going to go into the simple trainer. You're going to copy both the trainers into the main game directory. And finally, we have to install the car. I'm going to go into the folder. In the folder, we have a folder called vans123, and then we have the DLC list.xml. So now we're going to be using OpenIV to install the car within GTA 5. So to do that, we need to go into a specific folder. So we're going to go into mods, then updates, x64, and DLC packs. Now we're going to copy the folder into the DLC packs. As you can see, it's right here. We're going to go back. We're going to go into update.rpf, then commons and data. We're going to be looking for the DLC list.xml, which is right here. Right click and edit. We're going to scroll down to the bottom and we're going to copy the last line of code. We're going to make a space under the bottom and Control V. Then we're going to remove the name right here and we're going to name it the same thing as our car. So we're going to rename, copy the name, go back into the 2 slashes, Control V and then save. I almost forgot to install the add-on car spawner, which is going to use to spawn the cars that we install in GTA 5. So I have the zip file right here. Again, we're going to extract it. We're going to delete the zip file. Then we're going to go into the add-on car spawner and we're going to copy both of these files except for the readme into the main game directory of GTA. Now that we've done that, we can go ahead and launch GTA. Alright, so once you're fully loaded within the game, you're going to use the add-on car spawner to spawn in the car that you just installed. To open the menu, you're going to press F5 and then go to vehicle search or search vehicle. As you can see right here, these are all the cars that I currently have installed. Currently, I have 5 of them. Not sure why, but this is the car that I just installed. As you can see, it's called the LaFerrari. So pressing enter will spawn me into the car, and if you want, you can, spawn in more of these cars. But as you can see, it works pretty fine, the add-on car spawner. So that is how I use it to, install, or I mean spawn in my cars. So pretty much that's it, guys. That's the video. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead, leave a like on the video and consider subscribing to the channel for future content.